Hi everyone, today we are making yam pottage. Here's a tuber of yam and pepper mix. I peeled the yam, cut it into cubes and put it in a pot. Added chicken broth, blended pepper mix, seasoning, salt and onions. Stirred and let it boil for about 10 minutes. Then I added chopped ripe plantain to give it a nice taste. Do you also add ripe plantain to your yam pottage, or is there any other ingredient you like to add? Please let me know in the comment section. After about 10 minutes, I added palm oil and let it cook. It's ready when the yam and plantain are fully cooked and the sauce is thick. I paired it with crayfish and goat meat. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.